Second exercise, we have to write a program that selects a random name from a list. Random keyword, meaning that we have to work with random. Right, so we have this code. Let's check what that does, right? Without strings, actually. Give me everybody's names. Batman. Robocop. Superman. Johnny Bravo. Guys, if you want to represent space, just use the underscore. What else? Come on, guys, tell me some names. What can we place in here? Hulk smash! And let's say Dr. Doom. Oh. Let's copy that and place it right up here in a comment. And make another comment right here and say variable. No, you know what? Input. No, actually split the input. God damn it, creates a list from input. That's better. Now, if we press enter, let me run it again. Split created a list, which we can use positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can use positions to access them. We have now to place a random, import random. And to use that, we need to use again random int, random.random int between. Let me see one more thing. Yeah, it's okay. Between 0 and 5, because we have 6, but it starts from 0, right? Let's assign this to, again, shuffle. Let's say shuffle names. And now, let me see, that will be an integer, but I need to get the string. Let me see what happens if can I make it a string here? Let me see. Let's see what happens if I make now shuffle names. Module random has no attribute random int. Five. Wait. 4, 3, 5. So, okay, it gives me a random number. Yeah. Great. And now I just have to take that number and actually show. So here it should show me Dr. Doom. Okay, I think I got it. Let me see what happens if I say shuffle name. I just want to see what happens if I place it like that. Let me see. Object is not subscriptable. All right, let me just... I know that I have the solution, but it's a bit like not very clear. So this creates a random number from 0 to 5, which we need to take from the names. Meaning that will be names, and in here will be shuffle names. Hey, 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 hey. I think I did it. 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 We'll pay for every one. Go crazy, guys, and buy everything that you want from the bar. Actually, let's take that off. Go crazy, guys. Let me see. Buy everything that you want from the bar. After this, we'll create this one. We'll pay for everything that you want from the bar. We'll pay the bill. Right. Let me copy again the names. Re-enter the names and let's see. Go crazy, guys. Buy everything that you want from the bar. Dr. Doom will pay the bill. Dr. Doom. Robocop will pay the bill. Superman will pay the bill. Dr. Doom. Robocop. Come on, Batman. I know that he's a billionaire. I want him to pay the bill. Come on. Come on. No! Not Robocop, dude. I want... Oh, yeah, that's it. Go crazy, guys. Go double crazy, guys, because Batman will pay the bill. Okay. Now, let me, even though the program is complete, let's create the flow chart. Okay. We start from here. Import random. We have the strings. Input for names. Dot split input. By doing this, we'll create a... Actually, let's be more specific. For 5 names, no, let's say 6 names, because we have 6 names. Split input. This will... We'll just shuffle. We'll just... New variable. New... Actually, let's say shuffle names random randint between 0 and 5. Yes, this is right. After this, print f string with names. Let me see, with split variable, and inside we have the shuffle. And the program is done. I have to check just to be sure that everything is all right. Come on, man. It shows me that it's cricket, but actually if I look at this, if I zoom in, it's all right. And okay. Oh, man, this kills me. This actually kills me. I don't like that. Right, so let's see. Import the random. We ask for the input of 5 names. We split that. We shuffle. After that, we print the F string with the names, and inside the split, yeah, we shuffle. And we have Batman will pay the bill, always. This is beautiful. Exercise 3 is complete.